everyone, welcome back. And I know, it's been a long time. I've been so busy, so I'm sorry in advance for that. And those who are new, hi guys, welcome to my channel. And my name is Alina, and I make lifestyle and physiotherapy content here. And I know it's been a while since I made like a physiotherapy content, like a proper content. I've been making reels on it, but not like a full-fledged video. But today, we are here. We are making a physiotherapy video for all of you. I have received so many DMs and so many comments on my YouTube video saying that how do we actually apply for job in UK. The job market is not very good, as I've been telling to most of you guys on my Instagram, dear. It's horrible. Everyone is struggling. Even those who have actually studied here, they're also struggling, but we can still try our best. And today I'll show you how to apply jobs in England. I'm not talking about Scotland. I'm not talking about Wales as well, because both Wales and Scotland have their own sites. I mean, some of the jobs from Wales are available in the website that I'm about to tell you, but NHS Scotland is completely different. Their process is completely different, and their writing style, especially when it comes to personal statement, is very different. They're very straightforward in their approach compared to mainland England. So I'm going to show you how to actually apply. I cannot really help in writing the personal statements because I'm still figuring out myself what is the best way to write the personal statements, even though I have got 3 interviews. But I don't know, something is not working out. So maybe later down the line, if I figure out, if I get the job, I'll tell you what exactly we can write. But as of now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply jobs on the website, how to make the profile. Again, profile writing is very important, and all the points are going to be your own. I can't help you with that as well, but I'll give you a gist of how to write the application and then submit, and how you can see all of your submitted applications. Usually when you submit an application, if you get passed or reject, you will receive an email, so that you don't really have to go again and again to track jobs and see for that. But yes, we'll be looking through that, and hopefully that helps you. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into this video.
So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to write track jobs. That is the only thing. You don't have to think too much about it because I've already made my account. That's why I am using this incognito mode so that I can show you how you can do it from scratch. So whenever you write track jobs or like this, it will just show you. You have to just choose this part, track dot jobs, and this is how it will show you. Now the first thing is, if you are a nursing staff, you can go here. Otherwise, usually this track job has everything in it. Okay, so let's do this. We're gonna first do this login. I don't have any account, so I will just make something here. You just have to create an account here because I have an account, so I will just do the sign in part. So as you can see, it looks like this. When you are going to open this, you will go here where your name shows, and then you're gonna press the profile, and here you have to first write all the information about your contact details. You have to also, it's I feel like it's easy when you have already uploaded your CV, because then when you are filling the form, it already shows. Because when you are filling the form, it actually writes few bits and pieces for you. Like, look at this. I have already written the qualifications. I've updated them as well. So what happens is, I'll show you in few minutes. When you do this part on the profile app, and when you are writing a new form, it automatically shows up. Okay, this is the qualification, and then it also shows my employment history. If I have gaps in employment, I've also updated my NHS service. Then I've also updated my personal statement. The personal statement part, it will not really show, but I'll show you how you can do that as well. then my preferred employment type, publications in peer review, generals, anything extra, it will just show up here. Now let me show you how you can actually use this information part into your own applications. So first we'll come back to this dashboard, which is here, and you can see all your submitted applications here. You can see loads of unsuccessful ones. Yeah, I know. Thank you guys. Then we'll put like a find a job here. I'll do the job search bit. Okay. A new window will open for you guys. It's called Health Jobs UK. And then I'm assuming that all of you guys who are watching this video are physiotherapists, occupational therapists, or someone from allied health professions. We'll click this part, and then here you have to write what occupation is in your mind. I'll go with mine, physiotherapy. I'm looking for a band 5, which is the first level for qualified physios here. I'll choose this one. And to make it a little bit more easy, I'll choose London here. Because if I do any location, you would freak out, which I don't want. Where is London? Let's see. Here is London, and that is it. UK, London, any organization, I'm not going to do that. So here we go. So these are the physiotherapy vacancies. We have one rotational physiotherapist vacancy at any LFT, Imperial College, then Bromley. Let me show you how you can do this. So we'll click this one. Just have to read everything. Make sure there is a PDF, which is very important for you guys. This is called job description. Download this one, and we'll open this thing as well. It will show you this. Now, one of the important things when you're filling the form is go down, and here, very important, person specification. You need to write this in your personal supporting statement as well. Make sure if you don't have any desirable ones like this, you still need to add the essential bits and pieces, because essential things gives you points. Like this is NVQ2 level, which of course you have. You have a BSc honors in physiotherapy as well. Member of CSP, this is desirable, but if you have a desirable one as well, it gives you more points. So make sure you write this everything in your own form. Okay, we'll go back, we'll do the apply now thing, and that is it. Am I an employee of any LFT? No. Am I an employee of NHS? Yes. And now they're going to ask you immigration status. Now because I have graduate visa, I'll do the graduate visa. For those of you who are applying straight from India, I think you need to this one. I do not have a visa or right to work in UK, so that way they will give you a sponsorship. So you have to choose this if you don't work here. Okay, if you wish to provide, no, I don't have anything. Please note, due to the nature, interviews will be held face to face and remote interviews will not be considered. So this is another helpful thing, that you actually have to go there. So if you can't come here, then don't bother to fill this up. Please confirm you are able to attend. Let's say yes. Please explain why you are interested in this band 5 position across the community. I just don't have anything to write because I'm making this video for you guys. So I'll do that. I'll check this later on. We'll do that. We'll continue. And that is it. Now I have too many applications. So I'll choose this one. And what happens is now when you see this show answers, these are the answers that the system has actually collected from my profile here, which I showed you, like from here, this page. So that's why I said make sure you write it. So now personal details are here, my name and everything. Relationship, they're asked if you have any relationship with any member of your organizations, which I don't have. Then it shows your education and qualification, then any relevant training courses. I did so many courses, so I have to write them. And then same, if you have any professional bodies, HCPC is compulsory. Then my NHS services, my previous employment, gaps in employment. Now this is the supporting statement which I was talking about. So it has to be within 1500 words, and this supporting statement is where you sell yourself basically and show them that you have these trust values, which is essential. You have a physiotherapy degree, you have HCPC registration, you have CSP. So you basically have to give them all of this thing with examples. Do not forget to write examples, guys. It's very important. Say they have so much stuff, and awareness of NHS plan, post-registration experience, good knowledge. These are all the stuff they want, basic IT skills, which all of us have, ability to travel efficiently. And what happens in this case, ability to travel efficiently across all the sites in any LFTs, they will probably ask that you have a car or not. I don't have a car, but I can write like, oh, I have a good transportation system, so I can easily and efficiently do that. You just have to sell yourself here. Okay, once you are done with it, there are further questions. I'll just do that, continue and fix later. And can you please summarize in less than 150 words the reason why you should be shortlisted for this post? So you again have to sell yourself. Armed forces, I don't work in army. Then you have to give your references, and in this equal opportunities, it's nothing. They'll ask you what gender you have, what best describes your marital status, what's your ethnic group, are you heterosexual, do you have any disability, and this. Once you do all of that, just keep mark section complete and then submit your application, and then your application will actually come here like I have in my dashboard. So you will be receiving emails regarding that.
So I hope you understood this video. I know it's very vague, because the thing is that there's so much stuff that you have to write, but this is the perfect portal. If you have noticed, we still have like 5 jobs in London. So if you choose the location as any location, if you're comfortable moving all around UK, then it will be very helpful, because then you can apply to so many jobs. And I think the more you apply, the better are the chances for you to get the job. I will say, do not look out for specific keywords when you are seeing the job profile as, oh, this post is available for sponsorship. Sometimes they don't even write that this post is available for sponsorship, but then the posts are available for sponsorship. So it's better if you just don't go for that. Keep applying ruthlessly, just keep applying and see what kind of supporting statement works for you, because everyone has a different style, everyone gets accepted at very differently. So keep applying, and once I crack a job someday, then I'll make another video regarding how to write your personal statements with regards to your hospital. Okay, because every hospital has a different job description which you have to follow, so we'll do that for sure. Okay, and I hope you like this video. Please, it will be very beneficial for me if you subscribe to my channel, and if you keep watching my videos. I try to post on Instagram as well as much as possible. I have TikTok account, but as of India, you guys don't have access to TikTok, but it's fine. Keep supporting me, keep following this channel, and I will come back with loads of videos. I'll promise this time, and I'll see you next week. Till then, bye bye.